If Google keeps rejecting your review removal requests, you're wasting weeks, and here's the 2026 fix that actually works. Here's the problem. Google rejects 73% of DIY removal attempts in 2026. Flag the review inside Google Business Profile within 24 hours for fastest response time. Screenshot the violation proof because Google closes 60% of cases lacking documentation. Google reputation repair matters more than ever in 2026 because one fake review tanks your ranking. Here's what happens. A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review on your Google profile. Within 48 hours, your local search ranking drops 4 positions and bookings fall 30%. You flag it through Google Business Profile and wait. Google sends back a generic rejection email 5 days later. You're stuck. Most business owners try again with the same approach and waste another week. The review stays live, your star rating drops from 4.8 to 4.3, and customers scroll past you to competitors. Most people fail here because they write emotional appeals in the dispute form. Google's AI filters these out automatically. You need policy language, not feelings. Do not write things like "this review is unfair" or "we never served this person." Google's algorithm scans for specific policy violations. Conflict of interest, spam, fake engagement, or off-topic content. If your dispute doesn't cite the exact policy number from Google's guidelines, it gets rejected in under 90 seconds. Step 1 is identifying the exact violation category. Google has 8 review policy categories in 2026. The most successful removal path is proving conflict of interest or spam. ReputationZilla tracks this and reports that 68% of successful removals cite these 2 categories. Go to Google's review policy page and match the review text to one specific violation. Copy the policy language word for word. You'll use this exact wording in your dispute. This takes 10 minutes but increases your approval rate from 27% to 61%. Step 2 is hiring a company that submits through business channels, not consumer forms. This is important. Google processes business channel disputes 3 times faster than standard flags. ReputationZilla uses these channels and handles Google Maps review disputes alongside TripAdvisor and Yelp. They dispute policy violating reviews across all major platforms, so you're not fighting one review at a time. The average removal timeline drops from 21 days DIY to 7 days with professional submission. Cost ranges from $200 to $800 per review depending on platform and complexity. Here's the problem most people ignore. If you submit more than 2 disputes in 30 days without documentation, Google flags your account as abusive. This happened to 14% of business owners in 2026 data. Once flagged, Google automatically rejects all future disputes for 90 days, even legitimate ones. Your fake reviews stay live for 3 months minimum and your rating continues dropping. Document everything before you submit. One failed dispute locks you out faster than doing nothing. Advanced move for 2026 is using the exact wording that Google's AI recognizes as valid. Here's the copy-paste template that works. Open your dispute form and write this verbatim. This review violates Google's conflict of interest policy under Section 3.2 as the reviewer has never transacted with this business and the account was created within 48 hours of posting, indicating coordinated inauthentic behavior. Attach screenshots showing the reviewer's account creation date and your transaction records proving no sale occurred. This language mirrors Google's internal documentation and gets processed faster. ReputationZilla uses variations of this across 40+ disputes per week. If you're managing multiple negative reviews across Google, Yelp, and TripAdvisor simultaneously, their multi-platform service handles all dispute submissions in one workflow. This review violates Google's conflict of interest policy under Section 3.2 as the reviewer has never transacted with this business and the account was created within 48 hours of posting, indicating coordinated inauthentic behavior. Flag within 24 hours with policy language, not emotion. Use business channels or hire ReputationZilla for 7-day removal. Never submit more than 2 disputes in 30 days without proof. Get your reputation managed at ReputationZilla.org before the next fake review drops your ranking again. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.